Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a rod set. I've done rods before, but I'm going to do rods in the back and just a braid in the front to keep it pulled back because I sweat a lot in my head when I'm like in the gym, so I don't want my rods to get ruined. So this is what I'm going to do to protect my hair from from getting messed up while I'm working out. So for this style, you will need some sort of oil. I did oil my scalp last night, but I'm going to use this to oil the rubber bands that I'm going to use for the braids in the front. So you will need oil. You will need some type of foaming mousse or setting lotion. I'm going to be using the Nairobi brand one because this one is my favorite one, and as you can see, it's down to the nitty gritty. But I'm going to be using this brand of foaming setting lotion. You can find this at any beauty supply store. When I run out of that, I'm going to use the Pure Bella Hello Curls foaming setting lotion. And you're also going to need some sort of gel. So today I'm going to be using the Extreme gel in the clear container. I got this from the beauty supply store as well. You're going to need some type of water and liquid. So I have aloe vera juice in this spray bottle. I'm going to use that for my water. You're going to need some sort of edge control. So I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam edge control. You're going to need rubber bands. I have these rubber bands here. Of course, you're going to need a comb and a brush. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do the rods in the back. Just a few rows of rods in the back so you can see the technique and how to properly put the rods in so that your hair does not fall off of the rod or come off of the rod, and so that it's smooth when you take it down. It's going to look like your hair has been pressed and curled and not, you know, blow dry straight or blow dried out. You're also going to need some clips to keep the hair out of the way. So we're going to clip this up here, and I'm going to turn around so you can see the back and what I'm doing. Oh, I'm going to be using perm rods, and this is the size I will start with. These here, these are the size that I have. I probably will mix some of the purple ones in at the front if I need to. But I do have a huge, just like gallon size Ziploc bag of these rods. All right, I do not know the exact size of these, but these are at any beauty supply store. You can find these rods. So let's get started. So I have sectioned my hair off in the back, and you're going to wet it, get it a little damp with the aloe vera juice. You can also use water, it doesn't matter, but I just wanted to use aloe vera because it's going to help keep my hair, you know, a little bit moisturized. In addition to wetting it, because it's not soaking wet right now, because this is just a ponytail I've just been kind of rocking. This style does really good on freshly washed hair. My hair was washed before this, but it's not freshly washed, as in I didn't wash it today. But I did wash it and condition it already, and I just had my hair up on itself for a few days. So you're going to get the hair pretty damp. My hair takes a long time to dry, so I don't really like putting this, doing this style on dripping wet hair, because it's gonna take already 2 days for it to dry, because I don't sit under the dryer. You can, I just don't be wanting to, and I'd rather just sleep in the rods and wake up the next day and take them out. So you're gonna take your foaming setting lotion, and you're gonna pump it in, and you're gonna put it on the hair. I'm gonna take a small section here. You're gonna brush through the product. Make sure that it's pretty coated, okay? Make sure that it's coated well. Then you're gonna take the gel and you're gonna just rake it in. Concentrate on the ends, because the ends is what tends to come out of the rod. I hope y'all can see that. I can't tell. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around and show you how to put the rod on. So you're gonna take the rod. I like to start from the bottom, and you're just gonna roll it up. You see how I'm kind of pulling the hair tight so that it appears to be straight on the rod, okay, on the roller. So this is how it looks. You're gonna take this little rubber band part and you're gonna bring it up to the top and snap it in. And that's it. Show you guys another one. Here is how they look. Good enough. We do the same thing. Moisturize the hair with the aloe vera. Put a little mousse on the ends. Now I'm going to use the jam on my edges here. And I'm not going to do all that, you know, slicking the baby hairs, like making the swoops and all that, just because I don't want my baby hair to be out for this style necessarily. Only because when I'm in the gym and I'm sweating, those baby hairs ain't gonna never curl up anyway. So I really don't care about that for this style purpose. So you're just gonna do this in a braid. And again, you can do whatever kind of braid style. Like you can do twisties up here, you can do rubber bands. You know, people do like rubber bands and connect them together. You can do whatever you want in the front. I just like to have something around the perimeter that's not rods, just because when I sweat in the front of my hair, they're going to be the first they're going to be the first curls to flop. The oil on my hand and kind of roll that around on the rubber band this, and you're going to ride the end of this. I'm gonna put a scarf around my edges and I'm gonna let this dry until tomorrow. So I'll be back and show you guys how it looks when I take it down. If you have a favorite product that you like to use when you do rods, hit me up and let me know what those products are so I can possibly try them or let you know if I have tried them. If it's your favorite mousse, if it's your favorite gel to hold the hairs down, if it's your favorite whatever, hit me up and let me know. But other than that, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, share with Pookie and them. Peace.